In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive shortcut on desktop. Google Drive app for PC, download Google Drive. If you've ever wished Google Drive opened like a regular app instead of a browser tab, this is the easiest way to make that happen. We're going to use your web browser to install Google Drive as a lightweight app, which automatically creates a shortcut on your desktop. This doesn't download all your files, it simply gives you quick app-style access to Drive. Start by opening your preferred modern browser like Chrome or Edge and go to drive.google.com/drive home. Give the page a moment to load. If you see a sign-in screen, just sign into the Google account you use for Drive. Once you're on the Drive home page, look toward the upper right, just past the search bar. You should see an install button. Depending on your browser, it might look like a small computer icon or a plus symbol and may say something like Install Google Drive or Install App. Click that install button. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Go ahead and click install. Your browser will set up Drive as an app on your computer, and when it finishes, a desktop shortcut will be created automatically. You'll notice a new Google Drive icon on your desktop that you can double-click anytime to launch Drive in its own clean window, separate from the rest of your tabs. It's fast, tidy, and perfect for staying focused on your files. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you don't see the install button, try maximizing your browser window, refreshing the page, or making sure you're on the main Drive home screen, not inside a specific file preview. Updating your browser can also help since the install option relies on newer web app features. And if you're using a browser that doesn't show the install icon, switching to a Chromium-based browser like Chrome or Edge usually fixes it. Remember, this creates a shortcut to the web version of Drive. If you're looking for the full Drive for desktop application that syncs folders to your computer, that's a separate tool from Google. For most people who just want quick access, this shortcut is perfect. If you ever want to remove it, you can delete the desktop icon like any other shortcut and manage the installed app from your browser's app settings. That's it. Go to Google Drive, click install near the top right, confirm, and your desktop shortcut is ready to use. Enjoy faster access to your files with just a double click.